He is a first generation entrepreneur. Go to him. His name is Sandeep Patil. He is the co-founder of Oorjaa. Let's understand what's Oorjaa from him as a co-founder of the organization himself.
One was that we should do something with electric vehicles. Second, it has to be completely technology enabled so that we can scale it nationally and perhaps internationally. And thirdly, we should do something which will save money. We have been serving e-commerce and quick commerce very well for the last 3.5, 4 years and created a lot of value for them. We also spotted that there is another segment which is called
Customer acquisition cost is shrinking.
It is shrinking day by day now. So when quick commerce came into India, right, and Zepto was the first one to bring that concept, and the Blinkit picked it up very fast on Zomato, and then Swiggy. We have been involved in that space for last now 2.5 years. Right? Without
So you have converted a vendor also into a customer for a bigger vendor.
Correct.
Or to their main warehouse.